Okay, I just pick up, well, hi everyone. We'll pick up with the problem I left off here on number 11. And I was here, doing BC, 0 minus -2, now that's 4, that part's 4, -3 minus 1 is -4 squared is 16. So I'm getting the square root of 20. Well, it's not isosceles. They're all three different. Let me make sure I did this one right. This is -2 squared. That's 4 there. And then that's 4. That's 16. So this should be a 20. Okay. I think we might have gotten that and straightened out now. Yeah, I think I had that one wrong. Okay, so a squared. If I call this one a and this one b, square root of 20 squared plus the square root of 20 squared, does that equal the square root of 40 squared? 20 plus 20 does equal 40, so yes, it does. It is an isosceles because of the two congruent sides. It's isosceles right triangle. I guess what happened there. All right. Now, midpoint. The midpoint is, I should write midpoint, M stands for something else. X1 plus X2 over 2 and Y1 plus Y2 over 2. So let's take -5 plus 9, put that over 2. Let's take -3 plus 3, put that over 2. And we're looking at 4 over 2 and 0 over 2, which is 2, 0 is the midpoint of -5, 3 and 9, 3. Okay. All right. Number 13. Use the algebraic test for symmetry with respect to the x-axis, y-axis, and origin. Okay. Let's do an x-axis test here first, and then we're going to sketch the graph. X-axis. I'm going to rewrite it so that x equals -y squared minus 5, which is x equals y squared, negative times negative is positive, minus 5. All right, that is the same thing. So it is symmetric over the x-axis. All right, symmetry over x-axis. For the y-axis, if you recall, we replaced the x with negative x. So negative x equals y squared minus 5. If I were to multiply through by -1, okay, so that I have x, it would be -y squared plus 5. That's just not going to work. So it's not symmetric with the y-axis. And origin, we do both. So I've got -x equals -y squared minus 5. I got -x equals y squared minus 5, which is what I had with the y-axis. So not symmetric here. And then when I go to make a graph, I'm going to just kind of draw by hand here with a table. And I'm going to put y values in. So if y is 0, 0 squared minus 5 is negative 5. I'm going to plot negative 5, 0. Right there. If I put 1 in for y, I got 1 squared minus 5 is negative 4. I'm going to put negative 1, negative 4. I'm sorry, negative 4, 1. Let's put 2 in. 2 squared minus 5, that's 4 minus 5 is negative 1. So negative 1, 2. I'm going to put one more value in. That's 3. 3 squared is 9 minus 5 is 4. So I'm going to put in 4, 3. 4, 3. All right. Now it's symmetric with respect to the x-axis, which means I'm going to put this point here, go 2 points, go 2 down here, and go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 here, and just draw a nice, pretty parabola there. Okay. Now number 14, x-axis. Oh, let's see. I'm going to go, let's see. Oh, I got to go negative y, right? Negative y equals negative x to the 4th plus 6x squared. So what happens? Well, I am going to multiply this through by negative 1, and I'll have y equals x to the 4th minus 6x squared. Okay, there's y. They are different. They're opposites. So it's not symmetric with respect to the x-axis. Oh, let's see here. Y-axis symmetry. Let's put so I got y equals, I got this negative, and then I'm going to put negative x here to the 4th, not to be confused with that one, plus 6 times negative x, and then the square here. Just notice how I'm substituting negative x in for x. I'm using those parentheses. Now negative x to the 4th, negative times negative is positive. Positive times negative, there's a third power, is negative. Negative times negative is a positive. So I've got this negative here. That's still here. This is actually equal to x to the 4th. Negative times negative is positive, so that's 6x squared. And that is what we had before. So we do have y-axis symmetry. So it's symmetric with respect to the y-axis. And origin. Negative y equals negative, and then the negative x to the 4th plus 6 times negative x to the 2nd. So that's negative y equals negative x to the 4th plus 6x squared. And then when I multiply through by negative 1, I'll get y equals x to the 4th minus 6x squared, which is what I had with the x-axis, so that's not working. So it's not symmetric there. Alrighty, so we are looking at y-axis symmetry. And let's make a table. X, Y. Let's put 0 in for X. Looks like it goes through the origin. We'll put 1 in. Now that's negative 1. The negative is separate from the fourth power. So you figure 1 to the fourth power is 1. So that's negative 1. And then 6 times 1 is 6. So 0, 0. Negative 1 plus 6 is 5. Let's try 2. That's negative, wow, that is negative 16 plus, and then 24, it looks like. 2 squared is 4 times 6 is 24. So that's 8. So 2, 8. 0, 0, 1, 5, 2, 8. And it looks like anything else I try is going to run out. So let's put the 1, 5 here and the 2, 8 here. We did say it was symmetric with respect to the y-axis. So here's the y-axis. So let me just put this point here. 1, 2, 1, 2. This point here, and draw this curve. Okay. Next problem. All right. That's the problem we were looking for. So that is it, and all the best as you study for this.